Hi guys, Namaste. So today I'm reviewing Suncross Matte Finish Sunscreen, and I know about this sunscreen since 2014, but I'm using this sunscreen since last year, that is 2016. और मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों ने इसकी ad अब देखी होगी. Officially it has been launched this year in 2017. You must have been seeing Dia Mirza in this ad now because it has been launched officially. उनकी ads अब निकली है, but this sunscreen is in the market since 2 or 2.5 years. What I have seen, because one of my friend was using this in 2014 and last year a doctor prescribed me this. So this sunscreen is in the market since few years but officially been launched now. So previously I was using Lotus Matte Finish Sunscreen as I have oily skin, but from the last few months my skin is becoming little dry from my mouth area, like my upper lip and the area around my lips are getting little dry. So this sunscreen works very well for that thing. So it is suitable for every skin type, for oily skin, for combination skin, for dry skin also, but not for very dry skin. For very dry skin you have to apply a moisturizer, but this sunscreen works as a moisturizer for oily skin. So even it works as a primer, like I use this before applying my base, so it works very well as a primer also because it fades down the pores, not very well but slightly it fades down the pores. So the sunscreen comes in this normal paper packaging, and they have mentioned all the ingredients over it, and it is also suitable for every ages. The children above 6 months can use this. It is also water resistant, and the price of this is 575 for 50 grams of product, and it is free from any kind of chemicals and parabens. And they have mentioned the main components also, which I'll write down in the description bar, so you can like the other sunscreen you use, so you can also apply this sunscreen before stepping out of the sun, like 15 or 20 minutes prior. So this sunscreen has 50 SPF, which is very good SPF for regular use. It has PA++ in it. I have mentioned in my previous video, मेरी sunscreen पे मैंने एक video बनाई थी, so I'll mention that link in the description bar. You can check it out. So I have mentioned over there that what kind of PA++ or double plus is good for your skin, why sunscreen is important for your skin, so you can check out over there. And it is suitable for all skin ages, as I have told you, and it has both UVA and UVB sun protectant, and it gives 8 hours of protection, which is really good क्योंकि sunscreen आपको बार बार reapply करना पड़ता है 2-3 घंटे के बाद, but it says that it claims that it gives you 8 hours of protection. So I trust this sunscreen and I apply this in the morning, and till evening I don't need to apply or retouch my sunscreen again, and it is free from any kind of chemicals. So from inside it looks like this, and this is my previous tube which I'm using till now. It has not been finished, so I'll show you the texture of this sunscreen by taking the cream from this one. And I only wish कि इसके जो ऊपर की जो ये ढक्कन है, ऊपर का ये ढक्कन है, ये कुछ ऐसे ओपन करने वाला होता, क्योंकि जब आपको इसे खोलना पड़ता है so you have to open it like this, आपको पूरा इसको रिवॉल्व करके ऐसे खोलना पड़ता है. So I wish कि इसकी पैकेजिंग थोड़ी ऐसी होती कि डायरेक्टली आप इसे खोल पाते, पर कोई नहीं, क्वालिटी अच्छी है तो इसके लिए इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. So this is how the sunscreen looks like. This is white in color and this is very creamy. आपको ये बहुत creamy और sticky लगेगा शुरू में, but it has a matte finish. So I'm applying this on my hands and I'll show you. And it also gets absorbed in the skin very nicely, and my skin is feeling very smooth. ये बहुत ज़्यादा smooth कर देता है आपकी skin को, and it is matte. It doesn't have that kind of stickiness कि बहुत ज़्यादा oily लग रहा है या कुछ चिपचिपा लग रहा है, वैसा नहीं है. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा smoothness वाला जो texture इसका है, बहुत ज़्यादा smooth texture है, और ये बिल्कुल matte हो जाता है आपका कुछ seconds में. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है हर स्किन टाइप के लिए. And you can also see that it is giving that blurrish effect on my skin. तो आप दोनों में डिफरेंस देख सकते हो कि ये हैंड कैसा लग रहा है और ये वाला कैसे लग रहा है। तो ये एक प्राइमर की तरह भी काम करता है, क्योंकि आप देख रहे हो कि ऐसे ये कैसे ये थोड़ी सी स्किन ब्लर हो गई है। तो अगर आपके फेस पे कोई पोर्स भी है या फिर थोड़ी कुछ ड्राइनेस है कहीं पे, तो वो उसको भी, पोर्स को भी थोड़ा सा ब्लर कर देता है ये। तो ये आपका प्राइमर की तरह भी काम करेगा। So that's all for this sunscreen review, and I highly recommend this sunscreen to everyone. It is for all skin type, but I would say that the people who have extremely oily, whoever has that extra sebum production on their face, so do not use this sunscreen because it has that creamy texture. It is not going to make your skin oily, but still I know that you are not going to feel good because I also had a very oily skin long back, so I know how it feels. क्योंकि मैं भी कुछ ऐसा क्रीमी चीज़ अपने फेस पे लगा लेती थी तो मुझे इरिटेशन होने लगती थी। तो जिनकी ज़्यादा ऑयली स्किन है, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली स्किन है, तो वो लोग ना लगाए। मेरी भी ऑयली स्किन है पर मैं लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरा कोई पार्ट अभी ड्राई हो गया है, सो इट हैज़ बिकम अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप। सो दिस इज़ very good for dry skin, for all skin type, for sensitive skin, for oily to combination skin. Very oily skin, I think they should not use this sunscreen. Suncross has other variants as well, so you can check out those variants. Maybe you could find appropriate sunscreen for yourself in that one, because I think it also has a spray variant also, so you can try that spray one for yourself. So I hope you like the review and this video, and if so, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.